got 3 little ones today. That's a little bitty one. But I'm taking this video because this is my first smallmouth. I have never caught a smallmouth before today. Okay, let me take him and go and throw him back. Biting my hand. But that's another one. Not all that big. Let him go. And my very first smallmouth, which is what I'm fixing to get out of here if he ever cooperate. Quit fighting me. Ah, here he is. Come on. Ouch. God dang it. You stop it. Okay. This is my first smallmouth, y'all. He ain't big, but I'm happy I caught a smallmouth. I never caught one before, so I'm gonna let him go too. See you later, buddy. That's it for this time, y'all. Grapevine Lake, smallmouth. Unbelievable. See ya.